Nanbabo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Arayat Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, summer na and ano pang hinahanap nyo kapag ganong okasyon, kapag ganong summer season?
Yes, so maghahanap tayo ngayon ng mga private villas and resort. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may Arenas, Arayat, Pampanga.
Particularly, nandito tayo sa Montara Waters Park and Resort, and grabe, ang ganda ng lugar.
Yeah.
Indonesian Bali feels yung lugar nila dito.
At the same time, kitang-kita mo naman sa likod natin is yung famous na Mount Arayat.
Alright, so if you want to know more about this video, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
This is nothing you can run from. I hope you make it.
So before we get into their villas, tignan muna natin yung mga ibang amenities nila dito sa loob ng resort. So definitely you've seen yung bubble bath, meron din tayong kawa bath, which is yung hot tub nila dito. So they also have some tents for glamping and night tent, mga ganyan. So meron din tayong bird's nest, which is doon sa taas na yon, and your own private half-court basketball.
We're making, the rules we keep breaking.
So napakaganda nga ng lugar na to, although yung pagpunta namin dito is meron pa siyang mga add-ons or renovations na ginagawa. Pero isang recommendable na lugar dito is this place. So if you notice, meron tayong dalawang bahay kubo. It's a Bali inspired kubo. And then dito, guys, tingnan nyo, meron tayong mga kawa bath. Hello! Ayan, so enjoy that warm water. While on the other hand, ayan, baby ko naman, nag-enjoy siya dito. Hi, Luis! Are you feeling good? Alright, say hi to the camera. Nice one.
So enjoy your heartbreak. Enjoy your heartbreak, my friend.
Alright, so this is our room. This is our bahay kubo. And again, this is a Bali-inspired kubo. And what a great place for us to discuss yung mga rates ng mga amenities.
So dito available yung mga iba't ibang klaseng villas. Kung gusto yung mga ganitong style, yung nasa nature type. Meron din tayong mga room type na villas.
Bound to happen.
Alright, so let's talk about the rates and accommodations nila dito. So the Villa 1 can accommodate up until 20 packs. Kapag nirent mo yon, guys, you're gonna have free breakfast buffet for those 20 packs. Now the day tour is around 8,000 pesos and overnight naman is 13,000 pesos. Now for the Villa 2, you're gonna have 2 rooms as well. Paglabas mo, dun na yung pinaka-adult pool. So the day tour is around 10,000 pesos and overnight naman is 15,000 pesos. Again, you're gonna have 20 free buffet breakfast for free. They also have another villa room which is perfect for a small family, no? Can accommodate up until 10 person lang. The day tour is 5,000 pesos. Overnight naman is 7,000 pesos only. Now, the bamboo house or the kuba that we are in right now has jacuzzis. Nakita nyo kanina. So meron tayong bubble bath dito. It can accommodate up until 10 person each kubo. The day tour is just 3,000 pesos, while the overnight naman is just 6,000 pesos. Now, other amenities, meron silang huge function room. It can accommodate up until 100 persons. So you can reserve that for only 8,000 pesos. And the function can hold from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. only. And then lastly, of course, meron tayong Edith's Kitchen, which is yun yung almusal natin dito. You can have your breakfast, your dinner, your lunch, Edith's Kitchen.
It's all over. And you've been loving again. Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy your heartbreak.
And so another Instagrammable place dito is yung famous gateway ng Bali, Indonesia. Ayan, so diretso dito yung Mount Arayat. Napaka-serene ng lugar. Maririnig mo lang dito, guys, is sound ng tubig, mga kalaskas ng dahon, mga ibon. What a great place for you to rest, to spend a weekend getaway.
Soon it's all over. And you've been loving again. Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy your heartbreak. Enjoy your heartbreak.
another place for you to check out. Guys, thanks so much for being with us in this video. Sana nabigyan namin kayo ng another option for your weekend getaway, for your summer vacation, and
4 places to visit.
yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.